Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you how to enter Fastboot Mode. To enter Fastboot Mode on your HONOR, firstly we have to restart the smartphone. In order to do it, press and hold power button and volume up and select restart. Now again press and hold power button and volume up until you see Android logo. While this process, the smartphone will vibrate twice. Keep holding the button. Now release buttons. And we've entered Fastboot Mode. Right here you can restart smartphone, clear data, enter update mode and save mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.